Brothers and sisters, I am General President Joe Sellers. I would like to take a moment to talk to you about the current situation facing both of our nations and in every sector of our industries that we serve. But our greatest concern is the health and well-being of each of our members and their families. We must continually improve to protect ourselves, wearing personal protective equipment and combating the spread of this deadly virus. There's a lot of misinformation out there on social media. These mixed messages from all over and a cavalier attitude from the White House adds to our confusion, which adds to our stress and our anxiety. Please consider the source of what you hear and how it applies to the serious nature of this pandemic. Let's listen to the professionals, the CDC, the doctors and scientists. Let's take their advice and their expertise that they provide. Maintain a safe social distancing. The more we and our communities do this, the quicker and the safer and the healthier that we will get through this crisis. Your family, your co-workers, and each one of us are counting on it. Let's check in on one another, our families and friends, retirees and alumni members. Also, the most vulnerable, young and old. Many of our members are working day in and day out, and you are essential, keeping our nations moving, working in construction and manufacturing, and servicing our country's needs. Thank you, and we appreciate you. We also know that this is added stress and anxiety, and we ask you to protect yourself. The CDC has guidelines for the workplace. Let's make sure that we're sharing them and training our co-workers and using them individually and in our working crews. We receive reports from members that these guidelines are not applied at the workplace. So then we must report it. Our union's website has a form. TD members, please go and visit smart-union.org/TD, and you will find the report there. For our sheet metal brothers and sisters, contact your business representative, your business manager, and your local union. Many locals and international funds are making plan improvements. For instance, SASME has launched a special emergency benefit to eligible and qualified participants. Go to sasme.org, SASMI.org. Local plans are reviewing and approving ways to help. For all of our members in both the United States and Canada, the effect of the recent emergency legislation can help you and your family. SMART has set up an emergency legislative alert system, and it is located at the top banner of our Smart Union homepage. We will be updating with new developments as well. It will be contained in our app, our text, and our emails. Make sure you text SMART to 21333. We are facing unprecedented public health and economic challenges. During these trying times at home and in our workplace, we are stronger together, and together we will get through this. If you or your family is having trouble with stress, anxiety, or other issues, please contact the Schmoed Helpline at 877-884-6227 and know that you are not alone. We are mobilizing the expertise of our union to help and support our brothers and sisters in need to the greatest extent possible. Please do your part in combating the spread of this deadly virus. Let's also thank and keep in our thoughts the doctors, the nurses, the first responders who are putting other people first and putting themselves in harm's way. For our families observing Passover and Easter, please try to have a blessed holy day. In this distant communication media, we shall celebrate these holidays in a different way. I wish all of you well and thank you for your strength. Please be safe.